So for this week's module, I decided to make a web app in Django, and I focused on learning how Django's templating works and their database structure, and how to make custom HTML, CSS, and make custom templates with that. So I just made a simple logon page and registration page. So to start a Django project, the server, you need to run Python manage server.py and then run server. So that'll give you a web address that you can open, and it'll be your Django page. So I just made this really simple page, just home page and a login. Turn off that. So if you haven't made an account, you can sign up, and this is one of Django's templates for registration, and it handles the database information for you. So we'll create a user called class, and we'll just do the password class 1234, class 1234, and then Django in there, this login or registration template, it handles form validation. And so if the passwords don't match, it'll tell me the two passwords didn't match. And then if username is more than 150 characters or has this kind of stuff, it'll warn me. So it's nice that Django will do that. So class 1234, submit. Password is too similar to username. So if we do password 1, password 1, then we'll say the password is too common. Okay, so then I'll enter in a random password. So it went through and no errors. I don't have that as a redirect yet, so come back to the home page, then I can go to login, and I'll do class and then password, and that'll redirect me to a home page. But now I'm authenticated, and so I have this log out option. So then I'll log out. Now I'm back to the original page. So code for this is pretty neat to work with. So in Django, you can create a template, a custom template. So in here, I just have my home page, and so I have my title, and then just some divs for the links, and then I have this block content. And so in here, I can go to make another page and then say extend base HTML, and it'll take everything within base, and then whatever I add within this block content will be inserted into the base's block content. And so I have in here my different links, and then it checks if the user is authenticated or not and displays accordingly. So that's where if the user is authenticated with a login, you're just presented with a logout link. And then the registration, it had that form that did the form validation and collected the username and passwords. So to display that, all I had to do was display this form as the p tags, and it automatically did, inserted all of the template for that. And then you just need to do a cross-site reference token that helps to protect all of that information. that's sent through the post. A few other things we needed to change was trying to understand this URLs page and different built-in functions that Django has. And then mainly in this views page, which is in the project, the app folder. Which is where you say, what different URLs you want. So the index or, my registration page has some different options here that I've put in to save the user or not. And then Django has a built-in admin page. So if I log in here, then it brings me to this page and I can go to users and I can see there's my admin account and then this class that we just created, and it already hashes the password and takes care of that encryption, lets me know what permissions it has, and it's a login activity. And then if I had any other information in here, if the user had information like posts, then I could see all of their posts and edit things like that. So I had fun building Django, but there's a lot to learn about it.